Okay, keep winding that copper up. We gotta sell it to go buy you a cheeseburger. Just scrap that dishwasher motor out. You have to wind faster. We're running out of daylight.
It's not my fault. There's like 20 feet of copper wire on this deal. Never-ending deal.
It's all right. You gotta work for your McDonald's.
I don't even like cheeseburgers.
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nuggets.
There's got one more to do still.
No! It's gonna take me all morning and all night. It's gonna take me like over a day to get this strip stop.